Hi my little stars, I know it's been such a long time since I posted on my channel. However, I am back and I am better, and I'm committed to giving you all consistent and quality content. Obviously, since we're starting from the bottom all over again, I will definitely have to grow into the content that I want to provide you all. But just know that I am back, baby. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I am going to be doing my own version of Vlogmas, where I create different designs every day for 12 days leading up to Christmas. In each of these videos, I'm going to be showing you my process. Sometimes I might be silent and you should just watch along, or sometimes I'm going to walk you through each step. Today will just be a watch along type of video. I hope you enjoy it. Again, I'm so excited to be back to creating long form content. So if you haven't subscribed to me yet, please make sure you do so. Like the video if you like the video, and comment down below what you think about this set. And yeah, that's it. Happy holidays, everybody, and I will see you tomorrow.